The planet is getting hotter, glaciers are melting faster than ever, sea levels are rising, heat waves are becoming more dangerous, and extreme weather is affecting millions of people around the world. Scientists say human activities are the primary cause of modern climate change. But how did this happen? What exactly is climate change? And can humanity still slow it down before the damage becomes irreversible? In the next few minutes, we'll explore the science behind global climate change, what causes it, how it affects our planet, and what the future could look like. This is the story of Earth's changing climate. Climate change refers to long-term changes in Earth's temperatures and weather patterns. Weather and climate are not the same thing. Weather changes day by day. Climate describes long-term patterns over decades or even centuries. Earth's climate has changed naturally many times throughout history. But the warming happening today is occurring much faster than most natural climate changes in the past. So what's causing it? The answer is something called the greenhouse effect. Sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere and warms the surface of the planet. Some of that heat escapes back into space, but certain gases in the atmosphere trap part of the heat and keep Earth warm enough for life. These are called greenhouse gases. The main greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Without these gases, Earth would be far too cold for humans to survive. But today, human activities are increasing the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. As a result, more heat gets trapped around the planet. Scientists estimate that Earth's average temperature has risen by about 1.2 degrees Celsius since the late 1800s, and even a small increase in global temperature can have enormous effects on Earth's climate systems. The biggest cause of modern climate change is the burning of fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas. These fuels power factories, generate electricity, run vehicles, and support much of modern life. But when fossil fuels burn, they release large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Before the Industrial Revolution, carbon dioxide levels were much lower. Today, atmospheric carbon dioxide levels are the highest they've been in hundreds of thousands of years. Another major cause is deforestation. Trees naturally absorb carbon dioxide from the air, but every year, massive areas of forest are cleared for farming, roads, cities, and industries. Fewer trees means less carbon is removed from the atmosphere. Agriculture also contributes to climate change. Livestock animals like cows produce methane gas, a greenhouse gas that traps far more heat than carbon dioxide over shorter periods of time. Industrial waste, landfills, and some chemical processes also release greenhouse gases. In simple terms, human activity is adding greenhouse gases to the atmosphere faster than Earth's natural systems can remove them. Climate change is no longer a problem of the future. Its effects are already visible across the world. One major effect is rising temperatures. Heat waves are becoming longer, hotter, and more frequent. Some regions now experience record-breaking temperatures almost every year. Another major effect is melting ice. Glaciers and polar ice sheets are shrinking rapidly due to rising global temperatures. As ice melts, sea levels rise. This threatens coastal cities, islands, and low-lying regions around the world. Scientists warn that rising sea levels could displace millions of people in coastal regions during this century. Climate change is also making extreme weather events more dangerous. Warmer ocean temperatures can strengthen hurricanes and cyclones. Some regions experience severe flooding, while others face intense droughts and water shortages. Wildfires are becoming more common in many parts of the world because hotter and drier conditions allow fires to spread faster. Animals and ecosystems are also under pressure. Polar bears are losing Arctic ice habitats. Coral reefs are dying as oceans become warmer and more acidic. Many species struggle to adapt to rapidly changing environments. Climate change also affects humans directly. It can damage crops, reduce water supplies, increase health risks, and harm economies. Poorer communities are often affected the most, even though they contribute the least to global greenhouse gas emissions. Now comes the important question: can humanity slow climate change? Scientists say yes, but action is needed quickly. One of the biggest solutions is reducing the use of fossil fuels and switching to cleaner energy sources. Many countries are investing in renewable energy like solar power, wind power, and hydroelectric energy. Electric vehicles are becoming more common, cities are improving public transportation systems, and companies are developing cleaner technologies. Countries around the world have also signed international climate agreements. One major example is the Paris Climate Agreement, which aims to limit global warming and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Protecting forests is another important step. Trees absorb carbon dioxide naturally, making forests one of Earth's most important defenses against climate change. Scientists are also developing technologies that can capture carbon dioxide directly from the atmosphere. But experts say governments and industries alone cannot solve the problem. Individual actions also matter. Using less electricity, reducing waste, saving water, using public transportation, and supporting environmentally responsible products. Small actions by millions of people can create meaningful global change. The future of our planet depends on decisions being made today. If greenhouse gas emissions continue rising, scientists predict more extreme weather, rising seas, ecosystem damage, and greater risks for future generations. But if countries, industries, and individuals work together, many of the worst effects can still be reduced. Climate change is one of humanity's greatest challenges, but it has also inspired scientists, innovators, and communities around the world to search for solutions. This is not only about protecting nature, it's about protecting the future of human civilization itself, because Earth is the only home we have. So what do you think? Can humanity solve the climate crisis before it's too late? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating geography and science videos from QuizQuest House. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.